Shout out to the consumers for putting in their work. At least that's what I think this is a result of. This secret credit reporting agency, really consumer reporting agency, just did something that really could make it seem as though they're on our side now. Due to the fact that so many people are waking up, rising up, and doing all different things to clear up their consumer report due to inaccuracies, errors, unverifiable information, or things that were just shared without our permission. So, what am I talking about? ARS, that's a consumer reporting agency. And a lot of times people have used ARS as a platform or one of the secondary entities that they will freeze to keep them from sharing their information with third parties. Well, at the time of this recording, which is October 31st, 2024, they have decided to no longer accept security freezes. Now, why is that beneficial? Because the reason why they're no longer accepting security freezes is because they're no longer sharing information from consumers to third-party entities. They understand that security freezes happen when consumers decide that they don't want their information shared with third parties. They shouldn't have been doing that anyway. That's a violation. So it's a lot more people waking up, rising up to that, disputing the errors, disputing the inaccuracies, and even more people are starting to dive in a little bit deeper and say, you know what? They shared my information without my permission. That's a violation. And as a result, I think I want to sue. So it's more people who are even filing lawsuits and getting claims approved based on these violations that these consumer reporting agencies have been participating in. ARS might have been one of the entities that sets the trend because I can see other companies saying, you know what? We're no longer going to report to third party entities without consumers' permission, which they shouldn't have been doing anyway. But now they're ready to take action because they probably don't want that smoke. You see, together, us as individuals, us as people, us as consumers can make a lot of noise and move a lot of mountains, but we just got to be on the same page and be doing things that result in instances like this on a small scale. But it's all about the action, what you're doing, not just what you're saying, what you're doing. I see, and I'm helping individuals restore their credit and dispute inaccuracies, implement code violations, and prove that it's some things that are on their report that should not be there that's hindering their score from being less than ideal. So a lot of people have errors and inaccuracies on their report that's keeping their score from being higher than it could or should be. As a result, when those things get removed, their score has the potential to go up anywhere up to 192.5 points, because most of the things that you're getting deleted is based on things that fall under the payment history category, and that's what is worth 192.5 points. So getting deletions has the ability to boost your score 20 points, 30 points, 50 points, 100 points, up to 192.5 points. And usually is based on some type of error, some type of inaccuracy, some type of unverifiable information, or in many cases, a code violation. And them sharing third party information has been a code violation for a long time, but now they're saying, okay, we're no longer going to share this information with third parties. We're going to take our hat out of it. They still have a service that they provide, but they're not going to be sharing to third parties, according to this notification that they put on their website as of today. And they're basically saying on November 1st, which is tomorrow at the time of this recording, they're not going to be accepting security freezes because it's no reason for you to have to freeze if they're no longer sharing information with these third parties. So I clap it up for the consumers, people who are out here putting on their work, putting in their work, whether you're doing it for yourself or you're hiring some help and somebody is doing it for you. That's what we pride ourselves in, educating and empowering you to take full control of your finances, full control of your credit, and get a better understanding of things that are within reach that you can use to make your situation better, to take you from where you are now to wherever you want to go and help you take your credit to the next level. If you need some assistance, some guidance, you want some access to some of our freebies, free credit class, or if you want to invest in yourself, and you say, you know what, I'm not trying to be cheap right now. I want to invest in myself and get some help. We got a DIY, we got a done for you option. The choice is yours. But I salute this because who needs to be sharing or who should be sharing our information without our consent? That's a violation. That's a violation within itself, and we should be rewarded for that. And as a result, things like this can happen when more people continue to apply that pressure. That's all I got for this video. Mr. Smith signing out. Salute.